Let's talk about ratchet girls in the club. That's perfect.
Alright, I get that.
You go ahead.
Too damn ratchet.
Too damn ratchet,
I
girl.
don't want your number, girl. No.
Pineapples. Listen, tell these bitches lay back like a lazy boy. Playing games, but guess what? I ain't no toy. Understand, bitch? Yeah, I got the brackets. Fuck with real bitches. I don't fuck with ratchets. They get on my fucking nerves. Tell these bitches like some rats hit the fucking curb. I'ma see to my belt for me. Understand, nigga? I got the best of me. Got the goddamn Manola blocks on with your feet. Fucking flip flop on your ankles, you can't even eat. You was ratchet, so let me tell you in my diesel. You don't speak English, let me speak a weasel.
Baby, I don't do no ratchet, so I can't talk to you, girl.
Yeah.
Take your ass and back it away. Cause I don't do no ratchet.
Drake.
I ain't tryna do that shit, no.
Drizzy.
I get up way, yeah. And the girls say,
Yeah, the girls say, YMC,
yeah.
tell these niggas talking shit can't sit next to me. I'm Drizzy Drake, yeah, I was on logo. Understand these niggas, I'm up and down like a fucking pogo. D-R-A-K-E stands for me. Fuck these bitches, I don't fuck with no ratchets, G. So understand I got them on them. If they talking shit, then I just start singing on them like, oh, nigga, that you love so much. I'm gonna tell your girl she is not the one. And yeah, understand it's securing me. A new man is rising in me. Ricky Rose back on the track, but Drake tell him where's that. Seth Fury tell him what's on your mind.
I don't do no ratchet. Take you ass and back it. I don't do no ratchet. I don't do no ratchet, no. No, I don't do no ratchet.
We the president of the United States of America. Me being Barack Obama and being part of this head leadership, I would like to address the Ratchets. I don't fuck with you. Michelle doesn't fuck with you. So, when you hear this song, all you Ratchets hit the floor. Seth Fury, take me out. Yo, bro, that shit.
Yo, that's a motherfucking hit right there.
That shit. Yo, bro, that shit. You record that shit?
Yeah.
You didn't?
Yeah. No, I did. Not. It's
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Yo, that shit, bro. Nigga, I would bump that shit after the club.
Yup.
I don't fuck with Frenchies. Would y'all play that song?
Yes.